We read from the top. The creation of LR's 1926 animated film, The Adventures of Prince Ahmed, was blank process. Over the course of 3 years, R and her collaborators painstakingly made more than 250,000 individual images of hand-cut paper silhouettes and repeatedly had to invent entirely new methods and tools to create the special effects R envisioned. You can hear me just using initials. Don't try to pronounce things, but hopefully we can see that this word painstaking really fits in the blank. We can just have that as our prediction. Now we're going to our answer choices, comparing against painstakingly or painstaking, a painstaking process in that blank. So choice A, a haphazard, that's kind of in context a reversal of what's intended, so goodbye to choice A. Then choice B, a contentious process. Well, that would make it seem like she was fighting with people, and it doesn't seem like that if she's working with collaborators. So goodbye to choice B. Then choice C, an ineffectual process. Well, no, she was able to do it. It was just hard. So goodbye to choice C. And of course, our correct answer is going to be an arduous process. If this is a word you don't know, add it to a vocabulary list and recognize that if you can eliminate the other three answer choices, you can still get the correct answer for a problem such as number 2 here.